Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Pennywise in a surprise fold form. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Pennywise surprise fold, we are going to begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by just taking my paper and folding it in half and lining up the corners. So we'll line it up, fold it down, and then we just want to press this down right here. Now, after we do that, we want to fold it in half again. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to line it up right on the fold. We're going to press it down, and I'm going to just give it a nice crease so that we have another fold. This way, when we open it up, we have two halves, and we can open it just like this. And I like to kind of flatten this part out. And the reason I fold it that second time is so I have this nice line right across here. Now to start off with our Pennywise surprise fold, we are going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right above here, and I'm going to draw the eyes. Let's begin by just drawing a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go up like this. We're going to leave some space, and we'll do the same thing. We'll go down, and then we're going to bring it up, like two check marks. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. And we'll do the same thing over here. We'll just go down and up for the eyes. I'm going to add a little line inside each one. And right in here, we'll draw a little curved line, and then another little curved line right here. Then I'm going to add a smaller little circle shape in each one, and we can just color this part in really quickly for the pupil. Now, starting right here, we're going to make the nose. So to draw the nose, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go down, over, and up. And we'll make another line that goes down, over, and up on the inside. Now, starting here, we want to make a line that comes right across the mouth. So I'm going to turn my paper a little bit, and we're just going to make a line that goes right across the top of the fold. And on each side of this, I'm going to curve this up. So we're just going to kind of curve up each side. I'll make this a little bit bigger and darker, and then I'm going to just curve it up on each side. And we can also add a little curved line on the ends. Now, starting here right on top of the fold, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down, over, and up. Then we'll make another one. It's going to go down, it's going to go over, and then up for his lips. Right in the middle, we'll add a little line, and then I'm going to add some more little lines on each side for his teeth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down, and then we'll come up again. Then we're just going to bring this line down. Starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and then up. Starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to be kind of pointy. It's going to come up, and then it's going to kind of have some points and curve down for the top of his hair. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up and down, and another one's going to go up and down. Starting here, we're going to make a couple little points that go up, and we'll do the same thing over here. Then we're just going to bring his hair down to here. And we'll bring his hair down to here as well. I'm going to add a little line on each side at an angle. And then we'll draw a little line that comes down on each side for his ear. I'm also going to go and make an extra little line that goes down and up, and another one here that goes down and then up for his eyebrows. I'll also draw an extra shape on here to make his eyebrows stand out a little bit better. Now I want to draw his body down here. So to draw his body, I'm just going to begin by making a little wavy line right here for the collar of his shirt. I'm going to draw two little lines that come down on each side with a little line across. Then I'm going to make another little line that comes across here with some little lines on each one. We'll make two little lines that come down and a little circle for a button. Right here, we'll draw a little line that goes out. It's going to come over and up. We'll make some little kind of bumpy lines at the bottom. And then right here, we'll draw a line that goes down. It's going to go over and up with a little line in the middle. Right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. It's going to come down. It's going to go over here, and we'll go up and down here with a little line down. For his shoes. And we'll put a little circle on top of each one. I know it's kind of a lot to fit in this little tiny area. Then I'll just go and add some little lines on his socks. Starting here, we'll make a little line that goes out. It's going to go down and up. Do the same thing here. We're going to go out, down, and up. We'll make some bumpy little lines on each end. And then for the hands, we'll just make a little line that curves around for like a hook shape on each one. A little curve, and then a bump up here. So a little curve, and then a bump up here. Now, once we have our little Pennywise drawn, then we're going to open it up and add all the details on the inside. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to connect the two parts of the mouth. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. We're just going to draw a line that's just going to come down. We'll just kind of connect these lines over. Now, starting here, we're going to add the teeth. So we're going to use these lines to help us. So we'll draw a line that goes up. It's going to come to a point and down. Do the same thing here. Bring it up to a point and then down. Make another one that comes to a point and down. Comes to a point and down. And then I'm going to add a couple more kind of pointy teeth all along here. Now, inside of here, I want to add a crazy tongue. So I'm going to start right here. I'll add a kind of a wavy, long, pointy tongue. We'll bring it to a curve and bring it right back to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and I'm just going to add some really kind of sharp, pointy teeth on here. You can make these kind of different sizes, put them in front and behind the others. So I'm just going to make some different size sharp teeth on here. So we're just going to put these all over the place and bring them right to here. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just comes down, and it's going to come to here. And then same thing here, we're just going to go down and then bring it to here. Now I also want to add just a couple little fun details, and we're just going to put a couple balloons in here. So I'm going to begin by just making a circular kind of oval shape here. I'm going to add another one over here. And then I'm going to put one more over here. We'll have 3 balloons. You want to add a little kind of triangle shape at the bottom of each balloon. And then we're just going to make a little wiggly line on each one. And there you go, there is your drawing of your little Pennywise surprise fold. So when you close it up, you have a kind of simple looking little Pennywise, kind of scary looking, but nothing too crazy. And then when you open it up, you've got his big crazy mouth full of teeth with the little balloons flying everywhere. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.